Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best diving bottle oxygen in this video? I will show you the top 3 best diving bottle oxygen to buy right now on your budget. I made this list based on my personal opinion and research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price, and more. To find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest technology video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. As the item number 3, we've selected Scuba S400 Scuba Diving Gear. Specifications: Origin, Mainland China. Certification, CE. Model number, Mini Scuba Diving Tank. Type 1, Diving. Type 2, Scuba Diving. Type 3, Buceo. Type 4, Scuba. Type 5, Diving Equipment. Type 6, SMCO. The item number 2 is 1 liter Scuba Diving Oxygen Tank. Specifications: Brand name, Gyojo. Model number, SD700. DIY supplies, plumbing. Origin, Mainland China. Certification, CE, FCC. Specification, 1 liter. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Chicative C400. Specifications: Brand name, Chica Division. Origin, Mainland China. Certification, CE. Type 1, Scuba. Type 2, Scuba Diving. Type 3, Diving. Type 4, Scuba Diving Equipment. Type 5, Snorkel. Type 6, SMCO. Type 7, Mini Scuba.